Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, what if you haven't been using mobile timekeeping? I still think there's a lot of folks out there that aren't. Now, yes, our software, we offer scheduling and we offer mobile timekeeping, a timekeeping app. It's great. But there are other companies that do as well. Please check them out. We have no problem, competing. There's plenty of business out there. We just try to offer the very best program we can. I'm sure they do too. But that's not the big point for today. The big point for today is to really look at it. And I thought I would just ask a series of questions real quick to see if it could prompt you to consider doing so if you're not yet. First of all, are your employees, are your cleaners people, human beings with good parts and bad parts? They do well and sometimes they make mistakes like everybody else. I think you know the answer to that. Secondly, might it be that all of your cleaners aren't, if you're having them write in their times versus timekeeping, could it be that all of them aren't exactly putting in the accurate times that they're cleaning? Could that be? Third, if you were to implement putting in place a mobile timekeeping program, could it be that a handful of folks might get really defensive and upset and angry and say, I'm not going to have you do that to me. I'm not doing that, and be very upset, possibly even threaten to leave? Could that happen? Next question. Might it be that if they in fact did leave, that might not be the worst thing for your cleaning company? Not that evening, not if you had to replace them in terms of finding someone new, and that's hard. But could it maybe not be the worst thing in the long run for your cleaning company? And I guess the final question is, how long do you think it would take to have a mobile timekeeping program pay for itself, knowing human nature and how these things go? I'll just throw those questions out to you and let you think about them. Some of these technologies can be really a big advantage for your cleaning company, something to really consider. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.